The race for generative AI has brought many tools for us. Within a period of few years, we've got tools with faster response time, longer context window, and increased token limits. These tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, Stable Diffusion, Meta LLaMA, and many more generate super amazing results for text, text to image, and text to video outputs. In this video, I'm going to share with you a comparison between the creative potential of my favorite AI tools for image generation, dall-E by OpenAI and Meta LLaMA 405B by Meta. In this comparison, we are going to use same prompt to generate images from each of these tools. We will use 3 different prompts and see the results. Here we go. So the first prompt we've got here is, imagine the solar system with all the planets on fire. Human and aliens are escaping the solar system in spaceships. Let's see what dall-E has to share with us. Wow, that's an amazing image. We can see a lot of planets, we can see fire, we can see different spaceships rushing in the same direction. I tried to say that human and aliens are escaping the solar system. It turns out that all these spaceships are going towards the solar system, but not a bad starting point to begin with. Here, the image shared by Meta for the exact same prompt shows something similar. We can see a lot of different spaceships, planet on fire, a couple of human beings and aliens in chaos. So a decent effort for both of the generative AI tools, but to me, dall-E by OpenAI is an absolute winner for this prompt. Let's see the next one. The second prompt we've got for both of these tools is, develop an image of a coffee cup with foam. The foam shows a rose flower with thank you. So let's put their creative limits to test and see what sort of things these generative AI tools can come up with. First up, we've got the image by dall-E. We've got rose, we've got a coffee cup, we've got rose, we've got thank you written on the coffee cup. Amazing job by dall-E tool. Let's see what sort of an image Meta AI comes up with. Oh, that's pretty amazing. That's equally good, I would say. I mean, they just used different shades of white, but here, even in this case, in my opinion, dall-E did a much better job. So we'll come up with the last and the final of all prompts, and we'll see what sort of an image these tools come up with now. So here in this prompt, we're going to ask them to create a fat man throwing away all the junk food and going to the gym to get fit. The fat man is wearing a green t-shirt and blue shorts. So let's say what OpenAI comes up with. Oh, that's nice. But that looks like a cartoon. I mean, there's nothing realistic in this image. It shows this fat man wearing the same colored clothes that we asked for and throwing a packet of chips in a garbage bin next to the gym. And let's see what Meta AI has to offer. Wow, that's amazing. We've got a very real looking fat man. I mean, the fat man is wearing the green shirt, blue shorts, everything that we asked for. And we could see in the background a couple of dumbbells, couple of, pull-up bars and everything. Fat man is inside the gym. So in this case, Meta AI is the absolute winner. So let me know in the comment section what you think about these creative tools. Try experimenting these tools and let me know what you think about these. Overall, both of these tools did a wonderful job, and I believe it all has to do with what sort of prompts that you actually come up with. Up until the next video, stay tuned.